Hello everyone and welcome to your fourth Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, Creating a Project Part 3. In this tutorial, we will learn the last steps involved in creating a new project. So let's start. This window, what you see here, is the new sequence window. Now in the last tutorial, we learned how to create a new project through the Create a New Project window. A project contains one or more number of sequences inside of it. A sequence is like a specific scene in your overall video. So a single project can have single or multiple sequences. A sequence basically is a predefined shape, size, rate and all the settings of the video or the output that you are going to export. A sequence contains a specific frame size, frame rate, pixel aspect ratio and the fields. It also has sample rates and audio settings. So in order to create a new sequence, you first have to know that how are you going to synchronize your work with the other softwares and with the people that have given you the work, or how you want your work to end up like. For example, if you are working for any standards like PAL-DV or NTSC-DV, these two are the standards being used worldwide. So if you are working according to a specific standard, then you must have a specific frame rate, frame size and all the aspect ratios of that standard if you want to work in that standard. So in order to make a new project, a new sequence rather, according to the standards, you can just select one of the standards over here. For that you need to know what standard you need to work in. For example, the NTSC-DV standard of 48 kHz provides time base of 29.95 frames per second, has 720 by 480 pixels, that is 720 is the height and 480 is the width. 29.97 frames per second. Pixel aspect ratio is DV NTSC 0.9091 ratio. In the fields, lower field first in the order of interlacing, and the audio sample rates of 48,000 samples per second or 48 kHz. Now this fields, lower field first, we have to select the fields in order to prevent interlacing of our video. Interlacing is basically the disturbance getting created when recording screens, or the disturbance in our video created during the recording if not proper field is set up in our video. So just select a standard. DV-PAL is basically used in India. So widescreen DV-PAL is 720 by 576, 25 frames per second. So just select any standard and then give the sequence name and then hit OK. And then your Adobe Premiere Pro window of interface will open. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.